Welcome back to Sunny Channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to an amazing product, the 4-post double-deck parking lift. First, take a look at its sturdy construction. The 4-post double-deck parking lift has a robust build, which is the foundation of its excellent performance. One of its outstanding features is the maximum lifting capacity of 3,000 kilograms. No matter what vehicle you own, this lift has got you covered. Next, we have a single hydraulic cylinder mounted underneath the runway. This design ensures smooth and stable lifting, providing you with a reliable parking and service experience. Safety and convenience are also top priorities. The lift comes with a manual release feature. It's simple and convenient to use, especially in case of any emergency, and don't worry about oil dripping. The standard oil drip tray protects the vehicle below from being contaminated. It's a small but important detail that shows our attention to quality. If you have any questions or want to know more about this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.